Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a cute card using the A Little Latte Designer Series paper, Latte Love stamp set, along with the Saying Hey stamp set, okay? Before we get started on our project, we're going to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Painted Petals paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 cards and comes with the gray granite stamping spot. We also have the Every Celebration Dies add-on. These dies coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits, and you have until the 10th to subscribe to get this kit, and the dies are while supplies last. There's a link in the description box for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up! Products. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included. And I can only sell and mail these boxes in the United States. If you are interested, please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. And that is all of the buzzworthy business that I have printed out. But during the month of July, we are having our bonus days promotion, and that is where we when you spend $50, you earn a $5 coupon to redeem in the month of August. So for every $50 that you spend at one time, you're going to earn a $5 coupon. Okay, there is no limit to how many coupons you can earn. So we have a card base here of Lemon Lolly. This is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, and I just burnished that score line down. And we're going to go ahead and get our inside of our card done here. And the inside, these measurements are, for the basic white, is 3 3/8 by 4 5/8, and for the pecan pie, it's, what is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And then we have a piece of designer series paper that is a 1/2 inch, and we're going to, let me see how long this is. We're going to put this here so it's a 1/2 inch by 4 1/2. So let's go ahead and get some ink out. So I have the Lemon Lolly ink here, and we're going to stamp the inside of a coffee or a latte in Lemon Lolly right here in the left hand corner, the one with the heart. Isn't that pretty? And then we're going to take some pecan pie, and we're going to stamp a sentiment from Saying Hey. It says, I love you. And I want to put that right at the bottom of this heart, just like that. And then I have one more thing to stamp, so I'm going to go ahead and stamp it. We have, I fussy cut this little coffee mug from the designer series paper, and we're going to stamp You're the Best Part of My Day, and that is from the Latte Love stamp set. So we're just going to stamp that on the cup, just like that. So now that is all of our stamping done. Let's put this card together. So this is an adaptation of Call Me Crafty Owls, Show Us Your Sheet Load, July 2024. She made a special card sketch for July to celebrate 60 sheet load designs. And so it was 5 by 7. I adapted the measurements for a standard card base. Standard card base in America, that is. So if you want the directions and dimensions for a 5 by 7, I will have a link to her video where she tells you how to get the free PDF. But I'm going to give you the measurements to mine, since I did change them for a standard card base. If you want to make the bigger 5 by 7 cards, which are really good to have for like office birthdays and things like that, because you have more room for people to sign. Or even if you just have, you know, some big elements that you want to put on a card, you get more space to put them on there, right? So we're just going to add that to the inside of our card base. Just like that. And if you want to get the monthly host code, you can go to my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com, and we'll have that host code over there for you for the month of July. So now here I have some of the, what is this called? The natural polka dot trim. This goes with the Latte Love Suite. I've added some tear and tape on the back, and I'm going to add that to this basic white, which is 4.5 by 5/8. There we go. I'm going to try to get this centered onto this white. Just like that. We're going to take our scissors and trim it even with the paper. Okay. And I'm going to do that to the other one, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have these two things completed. So now let's go ahead and finish up our card. So I have 3 layers here. I have a piece of designer series paper that is 4.5 by 3.25. And then we have some basic white here that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And then we have some pecan pie that is 5 by 3 3/4. And we're just going to layer these all together after we put on our strips of basic white. Oh, and I need to get some stamping dimensionals to put on the back of my coffee here. So let me do that, because I want this popped up on our card. I'm trying to see if I need it. Let's go ahead and I'm going to put some adhesive along the bottom of this strip and the sides. And this should be very even with the designer series paper, because I cut it the same size, so it should go end to end. If there's a little overhang, we will cut it off. That is why we didn't adhere it to its mats yet. And then we're going to take this one and do the same. This one we'll put glue all over. And we're going to leave a little space, glue that down to the designer series paper. Any overhang, turn it over. Okay, do that. Okay, then we're going to take this, and I didn't glue the top of this because we're going to tuck that in just a little bit. Okay, so let's go ahead and remove the backings of these dimensionals. And I want to put a little bit of glue at the bottom of that. And we're going to tuck that in right here. About like that. Just like that. Okay, that's looking good. And go ahead and layer these up now. I didn't use the 5x7 version because I don't have any envelopes for a 5x7 card, and I have no need for a card that's going to be hand delivered anytime soon. So I just changed the measurements. But I love this card sketch. The layout design is really pretty. And I did add a lot of extra layers just because I like layers. And I usually have a printout of her card sketch, but I'm out of ink. That's why I didn't have all of the Buzzworthy Business printed out, because I need to buy some more ink for my printer. Okay, I just got glue on my hand. Let me close this glue. So now we're going to add some bling to our project. And I have the Adhesive-Backed swirl dots here that it coordinates with this latte suite. At the time of filming, I do believe this designer series paper is unavailable, but they are going to be getting it back in. So, and all of this is part of the suite as well. So let's see, what color do I want to use? Let's go ahead and use the pecan pie. Oh, come on. I'll put them all around. Nope. Where do I want to put this one? Let's put it right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, that is the card done. Isn't that cute? Real simple, but it is super cute. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.